Now I can't never hear any noise. But I can put the faces to the noises. That's not good.
Hello guys, today we're gonna play Ethos game. Okay, we're gonna play Ethos game. So just enjoy the video. Okay. Guys, should I do like a face reveal? No, a fridge reveal at 15 subs. Should I do a fridge reveal at 15 subs? Not a face reveal, a fridge reveal. So, guys, should I do a fridge reveal? Write it down in the comments. Let me know what you think you want to say. Like, yes or no? Do you want me to do you want to say, do you not want me to do the fridge reveal? Or do you want me to do the fridge reveal? So, leave the answers below in the comments, okay? We're just gonna get on with the game. Scheiße. Gotta get my charger. Mom, I'm doing a video.
Okay. Did you pause it?
Still making it.
So everyone can hear you.
Let me just end the video here.